Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Katya. For those of you who do, welcome back. So for today's video, I thought I would do a little revamp video for you. I went thrift shopping. If you saw my last video, you saw this gorgeous crochet tablecloth, and I told you that I was going to be revamping it, turning it into a skirt, and I ended up finding other crochet pieces like doilies and smaller pieces, and I wanted to revamp them and have fun and play around and come up with 4 different pieces. I love each piece. I think they all came out beautifully, and I am so excited to share them with you. I have been obsessing over crochet pieces lately. I don't know if it's the whole summer vibes, the boho. I feel that they're perfect for the beach, even to dress up, dress down. I wanted to create my own pieces on a budget, of course. I love my budgets. I think I paid it like $6. The doilies I ended up paying $2 each. I created 4 different pieces. So I created a skirt, I created a vest, a belt, and a duster. So in total, for all 4 pieces, I believe it came out to maybe close to $60, which is amazing. Usually you can't get one piece for that price. I love each and every one of them. They're all different in their own way. I obviously kept it still in the ivories and beige because that's what I'm preferring right now. But if you're more of a colorful and bold person, you can definitely dye it and have fun playing around with different colors. Anyway, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Enjoy. I end up finding this beautiful crochet tablecloth at the thrift store, and I was not looking for this at all, but I fell on it and immediately was drawn to it. I thought I can create something with it, and I am so into crochet right now. It's summertime, it's very beachy, boho vibes. I also found smaller crochet pieces that I think can look beautiful and create something else as well. So I'm not sure if I'm going to use all the pieces together and make a dress, or am I going to do a skirt and maybe a top separately. So I'm still working out the logistics of it. I'm not sure. I think I'm gonna go with the flow. I'm gonna cut a half moon to create a hole where if I do want it to be either a dress or a skirt, I will have the waist part right here. After that, I'm probably gonna try different things on my mannequin and get inspired and see what I can create, and if I want it to be a dress or maybe a skirt. So I wanted to show you this beauty, and look at the bottom of it. It has little dips like this. I think it's gonna look so beautiful. I could not believe I found this. I paid $5 for it, and it is in immaculate condition. No stains anywhere, nothing. I'm gonna go ahead and start putting everything together. First things first, I'm going to measure where I want to cut it, and I'm going to sew right through here to make sure that it doesn't unravel. So let's go ahead and do that, and then the rest I'll go with the flow and see what I want to create. you enjoyed this video. Comment down below, let me know which piece is your favorite. I would have to say my favorite is probably between the vest and the duster, because I know I will wear those more often than the other pieces, but I love them all differently. Moving on to the outfit part. Hat, I got it at Winners, I would say a year ago, and then I added this super cute accent piece to it to add a little girliness to it. This blouse I got at the thrift store. It's like an English lace blouse. I thought it was so pretty, and it has a tie at the front here. Then this skirt, I got it from Salty Crush. I believe I received this maybe 2 years ago. If you've been following me for a while, you probably saw this outfit. I love this skirt. Every summer I take it out. It is so beautiful. It has, again, an English lace, and right at the bottom it has lace again. It's so pretty and so comfortable. So I think that these two work perfectly together. Moving on to necklaces. A lot of pieces are from Koakaya. Then this piece I had gotten from my trip to France, and I am so glad I did. It has some seashells and beautiful tassels and this gorgeous coin here, and I knew that it was going to be perfect for the summertime, so I had to pull it out. And that is pretty much it. That is the whole outfit. Oh, jewelry, rings, Koakaya. This is from my friend Soul Eye Jewelry. Bracelets, Koakaya. And that is it. That is the whole look. I hope you enjoyed this video. For my next one, I'm not sure yet. Up in the air. I guess I'm going to go with the flow, and I will keep you in suspense. I hope you have the best week ever. I will see you next time. Love you always. Thank you for your thumbs up, your continuous support, your comments. They mean the world to me, and I love you. So I will see you next time. Mwah. Bye, guys.